In this video, I am going to demonstrate the Thematic Map series in ArcGISPro. This function is only available in ArcGISPro 3.2 or in newer versions. By using this function, you can export multiple maps of the same extent with different layers. I did the same in one of my previous videos by using a Python code. But with the new update, you can do it directly from the ArcGIS interface. The first step of creating a thematic map series is organizing your layers into a group. So in this map, I have several layers and I need to export each layer as a separate map. So what I will do is create a group and put all the layers into that group. So I will select all the layers and right click and click on group. So now all these layers are under a single group and I can rename this group. So I will rename it as Site 1. After creating the group, let's go to our layout. So here I have created a layout and I have already zoomed into the layer. Now we'll go to Insert and click on Map Series. Here you can see we can do a spatial map series, a bookmark map series. Both these options allow us to export maps of different extents. But to export maps of the same extent with different layers, we have to select Thematic Map Series. However, at the moment, it is not active. That is because we have to convert the group type into a radio button group. To do that, select your group and go into group layer and click on group type. You can see at the moment it is checkbox, but we want to convert into radio button group. So now our group is a radio button group and you can see there are radio buttons. And you can select only one layer at a time. Okay, now again let's go into Insert and click on Map Series. And now you can see the Thematic Map Series option is active. So I will click on Thematic Map Series and I have selected my map. I have selected the radio group layer. So in this project we have only one group with radio buttons. So it has been already selected. I will click on OK. Now you can see that there is a map series and there are separate maps for each of the layers that were in our group. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers here and we have 5 maps here. So now we have created our map series. To export this map series, go into Share and click on Export Layout. So here, go into Map Series and make sure that you have selected all. If you select Current, it will export only the current page, which is only one map. Or you can also give a range. So in this case, I will select All so that it export all the 5 maps. As the file suffix, I will select page name. Then go into Properties. Here you can select PDF or any image file types. So I will select PNG image file type. I will give a location and I will give a file prefix, and click on export. So if I go into the folder, I can see each layer in that group has been exported as a separate map. So this will be helpful for your future work, and see you again in another video.